Assalamu alaikum and hello to everyone. Ever wondered what propels a rocket into the vast expanse of space? It's all about fuel and combustion. Rockets carry two types of fuel: a fuel source, such as liquid hydrogen or kerosene, and an oxidizer, usually liquid oxygen. These two elements are mixed together and ignited in the rocket's engine, setting off a chemical reaction that produces hot gases and a tremendous amount of energy. So, the rocket's upward journey begins with a fiery burst of energy. Now, you might be asking, what makes the rocket move upwards? As the fuel burns, it creates a force known as thrust, which pushes the rocket skyward. This action is a product of Newton's third law, stating that for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. So imagine the hot gases from the rocket's burning fuel shooting downwards. This force propels the rocket upwards, like an extreme reaction to the action of the gases. Essentially, the rocket rides the wave of hot gases shooting downwards. But how does a rocket gain enough speed to break free from Earth's gravity, you might ask? Well, it all boils down to the design of rocket engines and the concept of escape velocity. Rocket engines are meticulously crafted to provide maximum thrust. They feature nozzles that direct the flow of gases, ensuring the most efficient thrust possible. The type of fuel used and the mission's requirements can influence the design of these engines. Now about escape velocity. This is the critical speed a rocket must reach to overcome Earth's gravitational pull and soar into space. It's a staggering 25,000 miles per hour. Rockets don't hit this speed immediately though. They begin their ascent slowly, gradually gaining speed as they burn more fuel. Once they reach this crucial escape velocity, they're free to leave Earth's atmosphere and venture into the vast expanse of space. Reaching escape velocity is like breaking the gravitational chains that bind the rocket to Earth. Once in space, how do rockets get to their destination? Well, most rockets are not just one big tube of fuel. They're actually made up of multiple sections or stages. Each stage has its own engines and fuel tanks. The magic happens as the rocket burns through its fuel in one stage. It drops it off, shedding weight and allowing it to go faster. Now this is where the payload comes in. The payload, like a satellite or a spacecraft, is perched on top of the rocket and is released once the rocket reaches its desired orbit or destination. But how do rockets navigate in the vast expanse of space? They use small thrusters or engines to change direction and speed. This ability to maneuver allows them to orbit planets or set course for other destinations in the solar system. With a combination of powerful thrust, precise navigation, and strategic shedding of weight, rockets can carry payloads to explore the depths of space.